17 years ago, singer Romain Virgo let the world know he's the love doctor. We'll get the backstory behind that song in our FiWi Culture segment.
I'm your love doctor, call me anytime you need me, baby.
Well, Love Doctor, I wrote Love Doctor when I was 17 years old. And I never know nothing about love, to be honest with you, if I'm going to be honest. I was just writing a song, trying to write a song. That was it. So I got the rhythm from Donovan Jermaine from Penthouse. At that time I was traveling between town and country to come to studio. You know, my studio days would be every Thursday evening, I think. I'd come in and just come voice.
You're gonna need some medication.
I wrote that song at home in the country, just trying to write a song. You know, the melodies came. I'm your love doctor. I feel like 50 Cent did a song where, was it Candy Shop? And there was a line in it that he said, I got the magic stick, I'm your love doctor. And so that line was in my head at the time, to be honest with you. And it turned out to be one of the songs though, where me still a sing from 17. No, me I'm 34, I'm still a sing it.
I know you like it like this, hey. When I kiss you on the lips, I'm your love doctor.
It was a soulful kind of rhythm, you know, and I was trying to write a soulful kind of song, so I know that it would make sense, and it was just a hope for Jermaine to like it. When I finished writing the song, I was thinking though that it sounded very, like, too simple. You know, I'm your love doctor, call me anytime you need me, baby. I know you like it like this, when I kiss you on the lips. And it just felt like, it felt very basic to me, but Jermaine loved it.
Cause I'm your love doctor, call me anytime you need me, baby.
Were you in love at the time?
No, me don't know nothing about love. Usually have me like a high school girlfriend, but you know, like them time me not even have sex yet. Me just 17. It turned out to be one of the biggest songs now.
Were you surprised that the song took off and became popular?
Yes, and the first place that I learned that this song was doing well, because as I said, my songs, them just feel like them never work in Jamaica. But so the first place that I know that song was doing well was in the UK. I used to get hear that, yo, David Radigan played it. I said, what? David Radigan play Love Doctor?
Forever I will stay with you, and me I go shout it out in the square.
We didn't even shoot a music video for it.
Oh, you didn't?
I don't have a music video for that song, and it became one of the nicest, most beautiful love song in my catalog. I remember going to the UK and performing that song, Love Doctor. Like, it was surprising to see that when I started singing that song was when the crowd was like, you know?
Boy, Samuel, I wish when we did a go to school, we'd have them school bus, bro. Not true?
Yeah, man, definitely. Back in the day, I be a JUTC visitor.
Yo, a TV alone, Mr. Them bus upon. But anyway, Buff Bay Massive, big up on yourselves. This is how we end this week's episode of Pree Dis Show. I'm Naldo. This is Eddie. See y'all next time.